Learn how to easily assemble Simmons Kids Slumber Time Gliding Bassinet by following this step-by-step video. This video will work for any of the style numbers listed on screen. Lay out all the large components. Confirm that all parts listed in the instruction manual are included before you begin. For some steps, you'll need your own flathead screwdriver. Bassinet assembly. Step 1. Place the frame on a flat surface with the support legs facing up. Step 2. Lift the support legs on the bassinet frame up. Step 3. Locate 2 support tubes and insert them through the plastic glider supports located on the support legs. Step 4. Find the 2 bassinet frames and attach them to the support tubes you inserted in the previous step. Secure using 2 G8 screws on each side. Tighten with your screwdriver. Step 5 and 6. Attach the 2 base legs to the bassinet frames. Slide 1 base leg onto the bassinet frame. Attach by pushing in the metal pin on the frame into the leg. Repeat for the remaining base leg. Step 7. Locate the remaining 2 support tubes and insert them into the holes on the base legs. Secure on one side with 2 G12 screws. Tighten with your screwdriver. Find the fabric storage liner and slide the support tubes through the tunnels on both sides of the liner. Then, attach one side of the storage liner by securing the Velcro tunnel around the support tube. Now secure the 2 remaining support tubes with 2 G12 screws. Tighten with your screwdriver. Step 8. Finish attaching the storage liner by securing the last Velcro tunnel around the support tube. Then, fasten the ties in all 4 corners. Step 9. Turn the bassinet upright and check to see if the legs are secure. Step 10. Attach the mattress support to the bassinet with 4 M6 screws. Tighten with your screwdriver. Step 11. Place the fabric liner over the bassinet. The warning label is at the front of the liner, and the 2 mobile attachment holes in the bassinet frame will need to align with the openings on the fabric liner. Step 12. Attach the fabric liner to the mattress support by placing the fitted ends of the liner over the support. Pull on the sides to ensure it fits snugly. Step 13. Lift up the skirt and snap in all of the straps around the top of the frame. Step 14. Place the mattress pad with the fitted sheet on into the bassinet. Step 15. Attach the canopy by snapping the arms of the canopy onto the bassinet frame. Then, secure the Velcro all around. Battery installation. Locate the battery compartment on the underside of the mattress support. Then, loosen the screws, remove the cover, and insert 3 C batteries. Replace the cover and tighten the screw with your screwdriver. Mobile assembly. Step 1. Remove the 2 pre-installed screws from the mobile arm. Then, locate the holes in the bassinet frame and align the mobile arm with the holes. Step 2. Secure the mobile arm to the bassinet frame with the 2 screws you removed in the step before. Tighten with your screwdriver. Step 3. Lift the skirt of the fabric liner and connect the mobile wire into the battery wire connector. Then, feed the MP3 cord into the opening on the MP3 pouch. Step 4. Pull the MP3 cord through the pouch and insert the cord into the audio jack on your MP3 player. Then, place the MP3 player into the pouch. Step 5. Attach the mobile to the mobile arm by snapping it in. Step 6. When placing or lifting a child in or out of the bassinet, make sure the canopy is fully closed and the mobile arm is shifted outward. Congratulations on assembling your Slumber Time gliding bassinet from Simmons Kids.